Yeah, call in. Oh, yeah, that stuff dope. Where y'all from? We from Frisco. Oh, okay, that's what's up. All right.
Frisco's finest. Bay Area shit.
When it comes to San Francisco, like, what does Bored Stiff have to do with San Francisco? But then you got to realize it has a lot to do with San Francisco.
That was Bored Stiff, like the beginning of Bored Stiff.
Serious business with that.
Develop your sound before you try to clown. Never talk down to underground players who been around. Fuck a sound check.
Bored Stiff, it's a family, a movement. Y'all was doing something way back then.
Design music that's worth the wait, plus worth its weight in gold, no decline with time. 500K sold, you say a bold statement. Learn to speak it to existence or you never make it. I spit the highest quality, nothing electroplated. Check my verse to every single rapper on this whole earth.
You know what I'm saying? A whole nother lifetime ago, you know what I'm saying? But I hear his voice like, you know, like it was yesterday.
Yeah, lay it down when you're feeling dry. Let them know what you're living like.